Cut. That one got titanium exhaust. Look at the exhaust. What's up, YouTube? So today we gonna go put up the twin turbos.
What party?
From RSP for real. I was supposed to been get them, but I've been bullshitting. So right now, today we on our way for it. We on our way to go get the turbos from RSP. Shut up there for a little couple minutes. Then we gonna go grab something to eat. Alright, cut. We back at RSP shop, ready to go get these turbos for real.
We can do this shit remote. That's what I'm trying to say.
That's just trap up in the world.
Bro, I'm about to drive down to Atlanta and tune this shit there. You see my parking lot, bro? I need another truck here like a hole in the head, bro. Especially for some light shit like a tune. You get what I mean?
Come drive to Atlanta. You come to the 8. We come to the 8.
Bro, it's my birthday. I'm about to come down there right now.
Oh, that's your birthday?
Well,
Tomorrow.
Happy birthday, happy. Okay, what you doing?
Listen, no, don't tell me I'm not racing. I'm not racing guy like that. I'm not racing guy like that. So you know.
Wait, so the race Friday, right?
Quick race.
3-8 truck. How much do we race it for? On the street? Oh, we could.
That one got titanium exhaust. Look at the exhaust on this picture. Yeah, the exhaust on that picture.
That's at the track. Talk about on the street.
Oh, shit. That's how I want my truck to be. Look at that motherfucker. Oh my god, crazy. Look at him. Wow. Look all up in there. Oh my god.
We're gonna have a turbo truck here soon.
Yeah. I'm already knowing.
Yeah, he went for a ride in that gray truck. And that was it. Mo, that ain't shit. That's slow.
I mean, I'm ready
Nah,
to
I do. Stop playing with me.
I'm ready to say, let me get them for 900 right now.
Answer this shit.
Why, you don't have 1,000?
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
So we have 900.
Alright, hold on. Why? What happened? Oh, you got a mean with you. Yo, me and Amin are from the same country.
Big them bitches is. I'm already had twins. Shit. That shit actually look better in person.
Like,
Who the hell wrapped this truck?
Virginia, this is car Nova. This is Nova Hawk.
yeah, but getting up, but now I'm like a.
Yeah. Let me see that bumper flipped around. I took my bumper off for real, right? So I'm assuming like a new bumper.
Yeah, it's that right there. Hold on, let me grab this shit. Wait, when is your car coming? Your car not coming for a little bit, right? It's just, I don't want to have your car come up here to sit. Your car gonna come when when Mikhail comes back.
It shouldn't fucking sit for you to have to just walk that shit off.
There's gonna be more shit with your car. There's gonna be some shit that we have to fix. This shit heavy as fuck.
Damn. That shit heavy. Big dumbass turbos. Then I get the other one. Man. Oh, the hot. Yeah. Damn. What's wrong with my father?